so we just finished the parkour challenge, and now we're gonna eat some habanero peppers. I was winner. I only have to eat 2 peppers, and I have to eat 4. But we invited our zombie horse friend to eat 1 of my peppers, so I only have to eat 3. Come on up here, Thomas. Now we're gonna pick our peppers. Picking 1. That's the tiniest one ever. You only have 2. Actually, I'm getting that one. Fine. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off the stem first so I can smell it. Still don't smell anything. They don't smell like anything. Oh! I don't think I like peppers that much. Ryan's gonna go first since he only has 2 peppers. Oh gosh. Wait. He has to eat the whole thing and he can't spit it out. Go, Ryan.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Ooh! Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh! It's hot. It's hot. Eat
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One pepper. It's way harder than I thought. I can't do it. I need help. You don't understand. Eat the second one. Eat it. I can't do it. Give me more.
I'm dying. Help me.
Oh, it feels so much better. Stand on. Bro, look at this guy. He's crying. Yeah, here it is. He thinks he can't eat that. So how about this, Ryan? If you don't eat that here, I'll eat mine. But you have to eat another one if you don't eat that now. You have to eat 2 if you make me go. You don't finish. You gonna do it? Do it. Where the Lord of the world must please help me on this one because I'm telling you right now, my lips are numb, my tongue is numb, my mouth is numb. I literally can't wait. Okay. I see. Woo! I have to do 3 now. He only did 2, I have to do 3. So I'm gonna start off here. This is gonna be so easy. Like, I'm a savage, like, this is so easy. Are you guys ready to swim? Ready?
Creamy.
It's on my throat! Ooh! No. My ears! No. It's not funny! Stop laughing! Stop. No. No! No! I can't do it. I can't do it, man. It hurts. Stop! It's like so scared like I have butterflies. Hey, that's pretty good.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
It like just hit. I don't want to.
What?
It's just like everywhere. Y'all just have to eat one. Okay, I'll eat this little one. If I throw up, then yeah. You did it. No. No. You threw up. That's a lot of jelly. Thank you, God. click try to go to our website, and that's it. Thank you.
Do not try this at home. No.